What's going on, guys? Caden at Speed Industry here, and today we're going to be working on a customer GR Corolla, and he's actually requested that we install some brake pads, which got me thinking that we should make a video on brake pads for the GR Corolla. So let's get to that. Replacing the brakes on the GR Corolla is pretty simple. The GR Corolla is practically a race car because you don't even have to take off the caliper to take off the brake pads. All you gotta do is take out the pins, pull the pads out, compress the pistons, put the pads back in, and you're good to go. It is really that easy to do brakes on the GR Corolla. All right, so currently we have the EBC yellow stuff brake pads on the GR Corolla, and I know when it comes to brakes that it can be a little complicated, and you wanna make sure that you buy the right pads for your car. So since we are on the topic of brake pads, here I have two different sets of EBC brake pads for the GR Corolla. We have the yellow stuff and the blue stuff. And on the back of this box here, you can see that EBC clearly lays out the differences between the different colors in brake pads. So today we're gonna be going over what brake pads are best for you and your driving style. So as you just saw, we just installed some yellow stuff brake pads on this customer's GR Corolla because it is his daily driver, but he does do a lot of spirited driving. We recommended that the yellow stuff would be perfect suit for him. On our site, we actually sell some track pads from EBC. So if you're a dedicated track guy, we recommend those brake pads. But if you drive the car on the street every now and then, but you still want it to bite really well, I recommend the blue stuff. The blue stuff is a high durability race pad that is suitable for street driving. And the yellow stuff would be a 50-50 mark between street and track. And as you can see here, this is the difference between the stock pads and the yellow pads. The stock pads are decent, but when you're upgrading pads, you want to make sure that you are buying the right pad for your car. Or even if you want to switch out brake lines, you can do that as well. Stainless steel brake lines help with brake feel and gets rid of the spongy brake pedal when you're at the track. Not only do we have EBC on our site, but we actually do sell the Ferrado Racing GRC pads. And if replacing the pads aren't enough for you, we actually do sell an AP Racing big brake kit for the GR Corolla. The big brake kit is overkill, but for those track guys that want their car to stop on a dime, the big brake kit might be for you. And as for testing for which pad is best for you, we haven't done side-by-side testing or side-by-side testing with the big brake kits. I'm here to tell you the differences between the pads and what's right for you. As there's a lot of brake kits to choose from for the GR Corolla, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, be sure to contact us at support@speedindustry.com or DM us on Instagram. And with that, guys, we'll see you in the next one.